shit. Oh shit. What? Oh shit. Put it on, mate. I swear this kid. Oh my god. Ocean man, take me by the hand. Okay. Don't put the camera on me.
Would you suck a fart out of your crush's asshole? Hell yeah. What the fuck? I suck the shit out. Out her ass. The fuck? What kind of dumbass question is that? Stupid ass. What the fuck? Get a little.
BBC.
BBC.
What do you mean?
I like guys with BBC.
Oh my god! What YouTubers or Twitch streamers do you watch?
Do you know what BBC
To be
is?
honest, I watch any. I don't really have one certain one I watch.
Oh my god. Oh my
What's
god.
that mean?
What? Oh my god.
What's BBC?
Mario is a symbol of multiculturalism. He or she, it is 2018 BAJS, is an Italian plumber Gaki bath who is created by the Japanese dance game, speaks English, looks Mexican, jumps like a black man tree hard and grab coins like someone from Israel. Racism gone.
Excuse me?
No. Character, yeah.
Ocean.
Character, Greek god. Yes! Yes! Greek god!
Oh my
Yay!
god! Here we go.
Your subconscious sort of takes over.
Oh jeez.
I don't have a problem with it. Oh my god, you see what happens?
Oh
So
my
annoying.
God.
Stupid Twitch thoughts.
Wow.
I just feel like they win over me, okay? And they're not gonna win over me. Stupid Twitch thoughts. No. I am engaged. I don't need.
Is that the grade? Because if you get F
Nick.
and then
Hey there,
get
my
C-
name's Nick and I'm a Christian and currently getting bullied in school. Have any tips? I keep praying but nothing changes. Please.
Right, go to the
Aw.
teachers and be like, if you don't do anything, mate, I'm gonna burn the school.
Oh,
Joking,
shit!
I'm joking. I'm joking.
Mate, that's not even
I'm
funny.
joking.
God
I'm not-
damn.
I'm
What
joking.
the hell?
Get it?
Her doc was a game developer. Now the only thing he develops is relationships with women outside of his marriage.
Which girl do you think would give the best blowjob sat around the table? Me, obviously. Come on, guys. It's
Oh, I can't
me.
be-
It's me. It's me. You can't do anything. It's me.
Says the 13-year-old.
Right. Coral, truth or dare? Truth or dare?
Let's get off the dirty section.
Okay, yeah, let's get off the dirty. No,
You're like
last
13. Oh my god.
one. Last one.
Basically, what you do is you create an experience through logic. I believe it's very inaccurate, but through making an experience through my logic, I have pictured myself getting my dick sucked by a man, and I think I can tell the difference. I'm being completely real with you.
Alright.
Have you never thought about it?
Did you enjoy thinking about it?
I mean,
Or it was just like a forced...
it wasn't forced, I just thought about it. I mean, if you're asking if I got hard, no. If you're asking if my dick tickled a little bit, yeah. But did I get hard? No.
Okay. Because I'm kind of getting half chub.
Really? Now that monitor's broken. Fucking stupid. Fuck this monitor. Fuck this game.
Where the fuck I am.
He's so blind.
Nice one.
Thank you.
Так. Типикал анимешный, нет, по-моему? А что, вам не нравится?
Drop it.